Oh, what's up, guys? I got my bike check. Here it is. It's right here. This is my Hyper Boxster. It's 2003. It's got your Odyssey seat, Odyssey post. I actually now crap it in here. Your profile crank right there. Some Eagle Claw pedals. Yeah, see those? Yep, they're pretty nice, I know. Some Shimano DX brakes. Some DK hubs on a Sunline rim. Rhino lights. With some Tioga, some Tiogas, I think. I don't know. My anti-forks. My plate. I know it's sexy. Cane Creek bearings and headset. Right there. Cane Creek. Got some guitar grips. Yeah. Bar ends are pretty sexy. Shimano DX. Yeah, right there. DK hub. Yeah. It's a pretty nice rim. And then my hub's got a pretty nice sound. You know, because there's no brake cable. And my bike stand, yeah. It's pretty cool, yeah. And my awesome toolbox. Alright, guys, comment, rate, subscribe. Yeah.